Next up, we have the Nissan GTR, the Corvette C8, the RODGER Dodger, the Batmobile, Tesla Coupe, and the Porsche 911. Put in the comments below on which two cars you would like to see race next. If I don't get no comments, then the next race will be between the Batman and the RODGER Dodger. These two right here. Like I said, if I don't get no comments on who you want to see race next, RODGER Dodger and the Batmobile will be next. Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Just to let you know, if you missed the first race between the Tesla Cybertruck and the Buzz Lightyear utility truck, you need to go back and watch that. But the next race here we have today is between the Batmobile and the RODGER Dodger. Little preview of the new track we got laid out here. So we got the RODGER Dodger and the Batmobile in the stage and lanes, getting ready for their first race. Best 2 out of 3. Got the RODGER and Dodger in the left lane over here. Got the big bad Batmobile coming up in the right lane. Doing a little burnout. Got stage lights coming on. Stage lights. Oh, look like they left pretty even. Oh, they dead heat. Side by side, who takes the win? Batmobile takes round 1. Now we got the Batmobile in the left lane, RODGER Dodger in the right lane. Doing a little burnout. Got the stage lights. Stage lights on. It's like another side-by-side race. Stage lights. There you go. Side by side. It's gonna be close. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, the Batmobile just did ease out the RODGER Dodger for the win. Man, that was close. Welcome back, Hot Wheel fans. How'd you like the race between the RODGER Dodger and the Batmobile? Looks like the Batmobile took best 2 out of 3. So, the Batmobile, which was the winner, took the best 2 out of 3 against the RODGER Dodger. Moving on to round 3. Got these 4 cars left. Put in your comments which ones you want to see race. If I don't get no comment, then the next race will be between the Porsche and the Tesla. Porsche and the Tesla will be next, unless I get a comment. But for now, Batmobile takes the win. He'll be going on to the next round of the fastest Hot Wheels RC control cars. So please like, please subscribe. Check out the next race between the Tesla and the Porsche 911. We'll see you later. Bye.